Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia with Garcia Home University. So the videos that I told you about, quick fixes. I want to start making these for you. There's so many issues, so many concerns, so many things that happen when it comes to rehab. And I think a lot of times it's not knowing that education, knowing what you should be doing, that's why you're overspending. You're overspending on material, you're overspending on labor, and it's time consumption that you do not get back. That's the biggest thing is one thing if you spend an extra dollar on something, whether it's material or labor, but the time that it takes that you could be doing another project, that's where it's really affecting you in the end. So all in all, the first video I wanted to make, and again, I'm going quickly because these are quick fixes too. Okay, you've heard me talk about that, and more and more people are asking about it. Okay, how do you specifically do this? Because here's the thing. If I was going to go into any mobile home store, now we're buying specifics, which means that things cost more, right? So if I were to go and get even one of these windows here, you're talking about $300 or $400 for a window. We don't need to do all that. Here's what you need to do. If the window is broken like it is on this bottom one, it's no window, okay? All you need to do is measure from here, from this edge right here to the wall, over into this side of the wall. And then the same from the top and to the bottom. That's the square that you need, which would be a window square. You can go to Lowe's, you can go to Ace Hardware, and you can pick one up for about $20. $20 is a lot less than $300 or $400, right? And you don't have to replace the whole frame. Plus, not to mention, if you take this whole frame, now you're taking from this home that's been set for a while. More damages could happen at that point trying to unscrew it, then re-screw it, etc. Focus on just the issue that is broken. So once you get that square glass, you bring it back. Use something like this. When I used to do this, I would use the Gorilla Glue and silicone adhesive. These guys here, the contractors, they like to use the 3006 advanced formula. That's plenty fine. They just got to doing these windows here, so they'll have to come back and clean excessive off, but that's what it looks like. You bring it in here and you simply fill it in. This will keep water, moisture, bugs, etc. off of it. Again, they still have to clean it up. This is fresh, and that's for all windows. They had to do both of these. They got one more window they have to do, but once they do it, it'll look the same. So, tip for you today, quick and easy, right? $20 versus $400. And time consumption. How long would it take you to take that whole frame out versus putting the window? I can do that window in about 10 minutes, so there you have it. All right, if you're looking for coaching like this, I can walk you step by step on a lot more, and a lot more of these videos coming. If there is something specific you want me to cover, let me know. I'll be happy to cover it for you. Visit me at garciamhu.com for coaching. Email me directly if you do want to get coached. We have events, live events that are coming available at all times. Join us on some of those. Okay, you can email me directly at j@garciamhu.com. Till next time, thank you for watching.